How to subscribe to Snapchat Plus and get new exclusive features. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. In today's video, I'll simply show you how you can subscribe to Snapchat Plus and get new and exclusive features. So just make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you'd like to subscribe to Snapchat Plus, which is actually a premium version of Snapchat, it's very simple to do so. All you need is your own Snapchat app first of all, and open the Snapchat. Make sure to sign into your account. Tap on the profile icon from the top left. And here you'll find the option called Snapchat Plus in this gold icon over here hovering over your screen. You can tap on the Snapchat Plus button and you'll be able to see different types of exclusive, experimental and pre-releases feature. Now keep in mind that this feature may also not be available in all regions, but you can always use a virtual private network or VPN in order to connect it to your region and then use Snapchat Plus in that way by connecting to VPN again. So after you go ahead and see this, you'll be able to see all of these options. You just need to tap on the option called subscribe at the bottom. It will ask you for your card details and many type of other plan details such as your monthly subscription or the annual subscription in order to subscribe to Snapchat Plus. Once you've done that, you'd have successfully gotten the new Snapchat update, which is the Snapchat Plus. That's all it takes to subscribe to Snapchat Plus, which is a premium version of Snapchat. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon in our next video.